Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with MrBeast and Anna. I'm MrBeast, your English teacher today.
Hi, Mr. Beast. Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. I'm learning English with you.
Yes, Anna is learning English, and you, our listener, can learn with us too. We will go slow, we will use easy English. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's start with greetings. Greetings means how we say hello. Listen and repeat, okay?
Okay.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Wow, many greetings.
Yes, many greetings. Let's talk about when to use them.
Okay.
We say good morning when the sun is up, in the morning. We say good afternoon after lunch, maybe at 1 or 2 p.m. We say good evening when the sun goes down, and good night when we go to sleep.
Oh, I see. So, morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Perfect, Anna. Now, let's practice a short talk.
Okay.
I say, good morning, Anna. You say,
Good morning, Mr. Beast.
nice. Now you, listener, say good morning. Good job. Now, how are you today, Anna?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thank you. That's another greeting. How are you? Let's practice that.
Okay.
How are you? I'm good. I'm fine. I'm happy. I'm tired.
How are you? I'm fine. I'm happy. I'm tired.
Great job. Now let's talk about saying goodbye.
Okay.
We can say goodbye. See you. See you later. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. See you later. Bye-bye.
Perfect. Let's move on.